Canada is the top country in the world for travel, according to the travel site Lonely Planet. CTV's Aaron Paul is joining us now with the details on why we're the best in the world. Aaron, our ears are ringing. What are they saying about us?
I know. Well, what a compliment. What a nice way to start our day, isn't it? Yeah, Canada, the top pick for destination in 2017. Now, largely, this is because we're celebrating, of course, our 150th anniversary this year, and it seems to do a lot with our sunny ways. The site said that Justin Trudeau, who they called an energetic new leader, has unleashed a wave of positivity in this country. They cited our reputation for inclusiveness and, of course, our politeness. They also talked about Ottawa and the year of events that city is planning for our birthday. They also pointed out, of course, this is important, our dollar is weak, so travel in here in this country, more financially appealing. Here's some fast facts about travel in Canada. Over 14 million people visited Canada between January and August of this year, 2.5 million overseas arrivals this summer alone, and domestic travel makes up about 80% of travel spending in Canada. And of course, they mentioned the beautiful scenery in places like Alberta or national parks like Banff and Jasper. They also called Quebec City the soul of Quebec. They pointed out its UNESCO heritage destination and, of course, the fact that it is North America's oldest settlement. Oddly, though, despite the fact our country is #1, Marcia, none of our cities made it to the top 10 list of cities to visit. Yeah, interesting, isn't it?
Huh. Okay, so if Canada's #1, who's keeping us company?
Okay. I find this really interesting. You will never guess what #2 is. Can you think?
No.
Colombia.
Really?
Yes. Despite the unrest in that country caused, of course, by the guerrilla group FARC, the Lonely Planet calls it a mix of vibrant culture and hospitality. They also point out that the Pope is going to visit there this year, so I guess it's a good time to travel. Finland, Dominica, and Nepal round out the top 5. Marcia, I'm going to throw it back to you with a wholly Canadian. Back to you, eh?
Thanks, eh?
You're welcome.